Okay. Welcome to Get Healthy with Dr. Cooper, a program in which I will show you how you can use food as medicine. And today in our studio, I have Estela Garcia. Welcome, Estela.
Thank you.
Estela is a registered dietitian and a certified diabetic educator. She's very experienced in food as medicine. What do you have for us today, Estela?
Well, we're going to be making black bean brownies, but these ones are vegan and gluten-free.
Oh, why are we using black beans?
Well, in this case, because they're high in fiber and protein.
Very good. And they have good carbohydrates as well.
Very good, yes.
What else do we have?
We're going to be using flax seed eggs instead of the other eggs.
Right, the other eggs high in cholesterol.
Right?
We don't want that.
No, we
Fantastic.
don't.
Go ahead.
So let's start with the recipe. We need to preheat the oven for 350. I think we already have it running. And we're going to make our flaxseed eggs. So what we do in our food processor, we're going to put 6 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. And we're going to go ahead and pulse it a little bit so they can mix and become like a little bit of gel. Okay.
Very good. What else are we adding?
So we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to start with the black beans. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to add the cocoa powder.
Very
That's
good.
what's going to give that flavor of chocolate.
Apart from cocoa powder, what else could we use?
Up to now, there's the caro powder.
Okay.
I guess that's another healthier choice if you want.
Very good. All right.
We're going to add some vanilla. I think it's a 4th teaspoon of vanilla.
Right, to give it some flavor.
And we're going to add some coconut oil.
All right, and remember, oil, we need to stay away from the oil, but in some cases, we can use the coconut oil. What
We're
else?
going to add the baking powder, and this one is aluminum free.
Very good. You have to read the container, make sure it's aluminum free. All right, what else do we have?
We're going to add a little bit of salt, a 4 teaspoon of salt. And the sugar we're using today is coconut sugar.
Very good. Excellent. And I noticed we have some nuts here. Why do we need nuts?
Well, because of the omega-3, it's very healthy for our heart.
Very good. So we have good fat, and not only that, nuts are also high in fiber as well as protein. Go ahead.
We're going to go ahead and start it. Make sure everything's mixing.
Very good. Mix it thoroughly. You're going to mix again.
Yes.
Right, that should be done by now, Estela.
Yes. So we're going to go ahead and get our pan.
I'm going to hand you the pan.
And we're going to just, it's already been greased with some coconut oil.
All right, so we're going to fill that. And if you want to make them smaller, you can use smaller container.
Yes. At least this one, we're using the regular pan, 12 muffins. And we're going to sprinkle some walnuts in there. You want to help me with that?
Sure, sure. Let me go ahead and do that. And we're now going to fill this, give them the time. But we have some already made and prepared for you. So we're going to show you how to. All right. So why don't we leave it there to the side, and we're going to bring what we already prepared. Here they are, looking very delicious. You have good carbs, good fat.
Guilt-free.
Guilt-free, and some nuts. Now, if you want more recipe, go to my website, gethealthywithdrcooper.com or cooperwellnesscenter.com. Estela, thank you for being with us today.